And I'm having trouble with this recording. I hope it's going through, but we'll see. Carey Price, Steven Stamkos. Got another Aspirations. Micah Kiprosov for the Flames. Not numbered. Simone Gagne. And Zdeno Chara. And we've got here Paul Stastny, Chris Letang, and we've got a gold Elite Series, Steven Stamkos. Nice looking card. 3 of 6. But that's a number in the insert set, I guess. 3 of 6 up there. Not stamped. And we've got a filler. Brad Richards and Nathan Gerbe. And we've got here, there we go, Devin Setoguchi, Thomas Vanek, Milan Lucic, Jean-Sebastian Guerre, and Corey Potter. Johan Franzen, Danny Heatley, another Steven Stamkos, Tampa Bay Lightning, Stars, looks like gold, Elite Stars, 3 of 10, not numbered. And we've got Stephen Weiss and Nicklas Lindstrom. James Neal, Alexander Burmistrov, another Aspiration, Scott Hartnell, die cut, not numbered. Sean Horkoff and Max Passeretti. Pico Ryan, Kyle Wellwood, Jimmy Howard, a filler, Jason Pominville, and Rick Nash. Mr. Malkin, Alex Ovechkin, and another redemption. Bill Ranford and Devin Dubnyk passing the torch. I'll have to check card number 5. I'll have to investigate that one, see where that one will go. And Kari Lehtonen and Sergei Kostinson. Sergei. John Michael Lillis, Cam Ward, there we go, Taylor Hall, and Ryan Nugent Hopkins for the Oilers, Elite Series, no number. Nikolai Kababulin, Jaromir Jagr. He's another old school guy, been around a while. Another Scott Hartnell, I think we got him earlier. Joe Pavelski, Joe Thornton, no number, die cut. Brian Campbell and Shea Weber. And our last pack. Mike Ribeiro, Chris Neal, Cody Hodgson, Rookie Stars, insert, filler, Marian Hossa, and Matt Cullen. Okay, everyone, thanks for stopping by. That ends the break for the 2011 Panini Elite Hockey. Thanks for stopping by. And check our website, livepackbreaks.com. The top menu is box breaks, and that'll take you to our eBay auctions for future hockey breaks and other sports too. Thanks again for stopping in. Take care. Have a good night.